Something I hear quite a lot of the time is people saying to me, look, I'm just going through a rough period at the moment. I know it's difficult, but when I get to blank, everything will be fine. Now, that might be when I hire that new member of staff, when I'm able to drop this contract that I'm cleaning at the moment, or when I get my extra admin person in, or my first admin person, or when I pick up a new contract, or when I get to this time of year. There's always an external reason why things aren't going well in their cleaning company. Now, I'm not saying that we never have external things that impact our cleaning company. We all know that there are external things that can influence our cleaning company, so I'm not saying it's not true. What I am saying is, be careful not to bury your head in the sand. Because sometimes when you tell yourself that, you might really believe it, but it might not be true. It might be that there are things that structurally, foundationally, you need to work on in your cleaning company that are causing these problems. But by you telling yourself, when we get to this point, it'll be fine, one, you're kidding yourself, and secondly, you're not really then taking any action to fix it. Maybe that sounds familiar to you. It also means that we end up not progressing in the business and growing as fast as we could because we're not looking objectively about what we can improve. It can also impact churn rates of staff, of clients. It can cause issues with your recruitment because it means that we're not looking at what we need to be doing on a regular basis. And we know that to have a successful cleaning company, what we have to do is we have to do consistent activity across a whole different range of areas of the business in order to make sure it's running smoothly. If you are telling yourself, hey, I know it's tough right now, but it'll be fine when we get to blank, it'll be fine when X happens, just check into it. Just make sure that you're not telling yourself that just on the off chance that it gets you through the next couple of months. And make sure that, more importantly, you're not just burying your head in the sand and ignoring an issue that exists that might need to be dealt with.